Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum cadets. Today we are starting class 9 physics chapter number 3, which name is dynamics. In this chapter we define some universal law. Sir Isaac Newton was the first person who gives the law of motions. We discuss these law one by one. First of all, we discuss Newton first law of motion. According to Newton's first law of motion, a body at rest will remain at rest, and a body moving with uniform velocity will continue its uniform velocity until an external force not applied on it. According to its statement, a body at rest will remain in rest, and a body moving with uniform speed continues its speed until an external force applied on it. Dear guys, that was the statement of the Newton's first law of motion. A body at rest will remain at rest, and a body moving with uniform velocity or uniform speed will continue its uniform speed until an external force applying on it. Then we see that what should be external forces. In this case, we see which forces which are the external forces. When body moves with uniform speed, then we see that some external forces are applied on it. Number one, gravitational force. Number two, weight of body. Number three, air resistance. etc. These are some external forces which are applying on the body which is moving with uniform velocity. Similarly, a body is placed in stationary condition on a table. Then that body is also facing some forces, just like weight of the body is also, and gravitational force is applying on it. It also feeling the forces. So Newton's first law is also called law of inertia. Newton's first law is also called law of inertia. What is inertia? Inertia is the state or property of a body due to which it resists its state of change of rest or state of motion. Inertia is the state of body due to which it resists its state of motion or its state of rest. It is property of body due to which it exists, against its state of rest or state of motion. This is the definition of inertia. So Newton's first law is also called law of inertia. Inshallah, in our next topic we will discuss the further Newton's second and third law. Thank you.